Next problem, verify Green's theorem. Integral over c xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where c is bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to x and positively oriented. Listen, problem from the section Green's theorem. Green's theorem. What is the statement for Green's theorem? What is the formula for Green's theorem? Line integral over c p dx plus q dy is equal to double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy. This is the formula for Green's theorem. Then here verify Green's theorem. So first we evaluate RHS. Double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy. Listen, here line integral is given, line integral over c xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. General form is p dx plus q dy. That is p is equal to xy plus y square and q is equal to x square. Here dou q by dou x and dou p by dou y. So here dou p by dou y, differentiating this p with respect to y. That is here x is constant, derivative of x is, y is 1. Plus, what is the derivative of y square with respect to y? Is 2y. That is dou p by dou y is equal to x plus 2y. Here dou q by dou x, dou q by dou x, differentiating q with respect to x, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. That is dou p by dou y is x plus 2y and dou q by dou x is equal to 2x. Then listen, c is bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to x. First we draw the diagram, graph from these, using these two equations, y equal to x square and y equal to x. Listen, first y equal to x. What is y equal to x? If we take x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Because y equal to x equal to y. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. That is, the points are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. These are the points. So, listen, this is 0, 0, origin. This point is 0, 0. The next point 1, 1. This point is 1, 1. The next point 2, 2. This point is 2, 2. So, this is y equal to x. This line is y equal to x. Next one, y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. Listen, what is y equal to x square? Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 here. 0 square is y. That is y equal to 0. Then x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. So 1 square. 1 square is 1. So y equal to 1. Then next, x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. Here y equal to x square. So 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. So y equal to 4. That is the points are listen, 0, 0. Points are 0, 0. Next point 1, 1. Then 2, 4. These are the points of y equal to x square. Listen, this is the parabola, equation of the parabola. So 0, 0, this is 0, 0, 1, 1. Next point is 2, 4. This point. Similarly, we get x equal to minus values. if we take x equal to minus value 0, we get y equal to 0. Then here we put x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1 square is positive. It's positive 1. Then x equal to minus 2, that is minus 2 square is positive 4. That is the points are 0, 0, minus 2, sorry, 1, minus 1, 1. Then here minus 2, 4. These are the points. So this is the equation of the parabola. This is y equal to x square. This is y equal to x square. Listen. Then in the question, positively oriented. Positively oriented. Then listen. This is the closed curve C. This is the closed curve C. This part is the closed curve C. That is, listen, this part. This point is 0, 0. This point, meeting point is 1, 1. This is 1, 1. Then here RHS, listen, RHS equal to double integral over R dou q by dou x. What is dou q by dou x? This is dou q by dou x is 2x. So 2x minus dou p by dou y. Dou p by dou y is x plus 2y. X plus 2y dx dy. That is equal to double integral over R 2x minus x. Then minus x, here minus plus minus 2y dx dy. That is equal to double integral over R 2x minus x is x minus 2y dx dy. So listen. Listen. Next step, find the limit. Limit of x and y. Listen. Here, if we draw the vertical strip, the limit of x is constant and the limit of y is in terms of x. That is, if we draw the vertical strip in this closed curve, we get the limit of x is constant and the limit of y is in terms of x. So here we draw vertical strip. Listen, this is the strip, vertical strip. This here inside this. Listen, the limit of x is constant. Limit of x is constant means here this is the portion. Maximum values this for x. This value is 1. This point is 1, 1. That is, this is 1. This point is 1. So, this is the maximum value for x. That is, x varies from 0 to 1. That is, x varies from 0 to 1. Listen, next, limit of y. Limit of y is taking from the strip. That is, the limit of y is the limit bottom to top. Listen. Bottom to top. The strip, bottom of the strip is in parabola. This bottom portion touched with parabola. Listen, bottom, parabola. Parabola, what is the parabola? Parabola is y equal to x square. To top. Top where? Top is in the line. The strip, bottom of the strip is in parabola. And the top of the strip is in the line. That is, this line is y equal to x. Here y equal to x square and here y equal to x. Here limit of y. Limit of y means here y equal to x square and here y equal to x. That is, the limit of y is x square to x. That is, the limit of x is 0 to 1 and the limit of y is x square to x. That is double integral. Listen. Constant limit is always outside. So, here 0 to 1. Then, inner limit is x square to x. Term is x minus 2y. Dx, dy. Listen here. Listen. What is the limit of x square to x? The limit of y. So we put here dy. Then this is the limit of x. So dx. Then integrate first this part. Inner portion. That is integral 0 to 1. Integrate x minus 2y with respect to y. That is xy. X is constant. So x into y. xy minus 2y square by 2. 2 into limit of y is with respect to y. Sorry, the integral of y with respect to y. So y square by 2. Limit is x square to x. Then dx. That is equal to integral 0 to 1. First we put the upper limit. 2 and 2 here cancelled. Upper limit. Put y equal to x. Upper limit x. That is here x. Then put y equal to x. So x square. Minus. Here y square. Y square means put y equal to x. That is x square. Minus. Here lower limit is x square. Put y equal to x square. Here x into x square. X cube. Minus. Listen. This is y square. Y square is x square. Put y equal to x square. So y square is x square square. That is x raised to 4. Into dx. That is equal to integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. Then x square minus x square. 0. Here minus x cube. Then this minus minus plus x raised to 4 dx. Next one. Integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. X raised to 4 minus x cube dx. That is equal to integral x raised to 4. X raised to 5 by 5 integral minus x cube. That is x raised to 4 by 4. Limit is 0 to 1. First we put the upper limit. What is the upper limit? Put x equal to 1. That is 1 by 5. 1 raised to 5. 1 raised to 5 is 1. So 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to, denominator is 5 into 4, 20. The numerator is cross multiply. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 5, 5. That is minus 1 by 20. This is the value of the RHS. Minus 1 by 20. Next LHS. LHS equal to integral over C P dx plus Q dy. This is LHS. That is in the question integral over C P is xy plus y square. Xy plus y square dx plus Q dy. Q is x square dy. Listen. Line integral. This is the closed curve C. This is the closed curve C. It has two parts. First part is part of parabola. Then second part is part of line. This parabola is y equal to x square. And this line is y equal to x. So, in the question, positively oriented. What is positively oriented? Positively oriented means anti-clockwise direction. That is the opposite direction of clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. So we start from here. This is 0, 0. Then travel. This is the clockwise direction, right side. Then anti-clockwise means opposite direction. Start from here. Then travel through this parabola and this 1, 1. Then come to origin 0, 0. That is, this is the direction. This parabola is like this, right direction. And from here 1, 1 to 0, 0. Reached at the point origin. Okay. Then this curve is denoted as C1 and this curve is C2. Total is C. That is, here this is equal to integral over C1 xy plus y square dx plus x square dy plus integral over C2 xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. That is integral over C become integral over C1 plus integral over C2. That is the total. Sum of C1 and C2. Then first integral over C1. C1 xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. Listen. Here the line integral. So here the part is parabola. The y equal to x square. So here we put y equal to x square. Y in terms of x. This x is x. Here y is x square. Then here this y square, x square square, like that. Then here we find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Differentiating y with respect to x is 2x. That is dy is equal to 2x dx. Listen, that is equal to integral x, same x, y become x square plus y square. Y square is x square square. dx plus x square dy is 2x dx. That is equal to integral x into x square is x cube plus x raised to 4 plus here 2x cube dx. Listen, all the terms are x terms. So we substitute the limit of x. Here the limit of x. Listen. Here anti-clockwise direction 0, 0 to 1, 1. 0, 0 to 1, 1. That is x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1. So we substitute the limit of x. Limit of x is 0 to 1. Here 0 to 1. That is equal to, first we integrate. Here x cube, 2x cube. X cube plus 2x cube is 3x cube. So integrate 3x cube. We get 3x raised to 4 by 4 plus x raised to 4 become integral x raised to 5 by 5. Limit 0 to 1. That is, listen, that is equal to, substitute the upper limit 3 by 4 into 1 raised to 4 plus 1 by 5 into 1 raised to 4. Sorry, 1 raised to 5. That is x equal to 1 means 1 raised to 5 and 1 raised to 4 is 1. Then lower limit is 0. So 0. That is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. This is 20. Denominator is 4 into 5 is 20. Then numerator cross multiply 3 into 5 is 15 plus 1 into 4. 4 is 19 by 20. This is the answer of first part, integral C1. But one more part is there, integral over C2. Sum of C1 and C2 is the LHS. Then we find integral C2 xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. Listen. Listen. Second part is start from here 1, 1 to 0, 0 through line. That is the equation is y equal to x. This curve C2 is y equal to x. That is dy equal to dx. X equal to y means dy equal to dx. So here x, then y become x, y equal to x, x plus y square. Y square is y equal to x, x square into dx plus x square dy. Dy is dx. That is equal to integral x into x, x square plus x square plus here one more x square dx. X square plus x square plus x square is 3x square dx. Here limit, what is the limit? Limit of x. Listen, here anti-clockwise direction, so 1, 1 to 0, 0. Here 1, 1 to 0, 0. That is the limit of x is 1 to 0. Limit of y is 1 to 0. That is here the limit of x, the integration with respect to x dx. So 0, 1 to 0. That is integrate, first we integrate this term 3 into integral x square, x cube by 3. That is x cube, limit 1 to 0. That is first we put the upper limit is 0. So 0 cube minus 1 cube. That is minus 1. Here 0 minus 1. It's minus 1. Listen. Here this is integral over C2. This is minus 1. And integral over C1 is 19 by 20. So integral over C P dx plus Q dy. This is LHS equal to integral over C1 plus integral over C2. Sum of these two integrals. First answer is 19 by 20. That's 19 by 20 plus here minus 1. Minus 1. That is, listen, minus 20. 19 minus 20 whole divided by 20. This is minus 1 by 20. This is the LHS. Listen, LHS we get LHS equal to minus 1 by 20. We already proved RHS is equal to minus 1 by 20. That is LHS equal to RHS. That is Green's theorem verified. Green's theorem verified.